What's up everyone, Patrick here, welcome back. Moving on to the next question. So portobello mushrooms cost $5.20 per kilogram and oyster mushrooms cost $9 per kilogram. A customer purchases each type of mushroom for a total of $26.94 and a total weight of 3.5 kilograms. Find the mass of each mushroom purchase. So we're finding the mass or the kilograms that we're purchasing of the portobello mushrooms and the oyster mushrooms. So I'm going to introduce two variables. X would be the mass of the portobello mushrooms. And then we'll let Y equal the mass of the oyster mushrooms. And then notice now with these two variables, we can make two equations. So notice that the total weight is 3.5 kilograms. So we could say X plus Y equals 3.5. And then we also know the total price is going to be $26.94. So we take the mass, this is going to be in kilograms, of portobello mushrooms, multiply it by $5.20 per kilogram. So we'll have 5.2X plus 9y equals 26.94. Those are the two equations that you create. And now you could just solve this. So let's do substitution. So I'm going to isolate for the y. So I'm going to bring the x over. So y equals 3.5 minus x. And then I could take this and I could sub it in for this y. So I'll have 5.2x plus 9 times 3.5 minus x equals 26.94, like that. So sorry, why did I put 5.9 here? This is 5.2. I got confused with this 9. And now this 9 here, we can distribute in the brackets. So 9 times 3.5, what would that give us? 31.5 minus 9x equals 26.94. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring all of the variables. Notice that now we have an equation in terms of one variable, so we can solve for the x. So I'm going to keep all the x's on the left side. So we're going to have 5.2x minus 9x, which would give us 3.8x. And then when we bring the 31.5 over, we'll have 26.94 minus 31.5. which would give us 4.56. And then over here, we just want to divide both sides by 3.8 to get the x by itself, and we would get an x value of 1.2. So 1.2 kilograms is the mass of portobello mushrooms that we bought, and then we could simply take this, plug it into either equation. I feel like this one is the easiest one to get the y value. 3.5 minus 1.2, that would give us 2.3. So 2.3 kilograms of oyster mushrooms were bought. And then you could take these two answers, plug them into the original equations, and make sure that both sides equal. And when you do that, you would see that both sides do indeed equal. So those are your two final answers.